Hemei, making hard work easier through technology and expertise. We value every detail of our users' needs and conduct in-depth analyses of personalized differences across various industries and markets to deliver the most effective construction solutions. To provide users with long-lasting and reliable products, our R&D team leverages advanced finite element analysis, an achievement built on Hemei's 15 years of expertise in attachment design. With deep industry experience, we precisely interpret diverse customer needs and swiftly transform customized solutions into practical and effective applications.